What's good, everybody? My name is Bosco from Your House Fitness, and today we're going to be breaking down the body movement along with our footwork. So we know how important footwork is, just bouncing in and out, understanding that we're always very versatile. We want to be able to move freely, smoothly, and so when we're ready to kick, boom, right away. One thing that we have to remember is that when we're fighting, right, always want to make sure our body is the smallest target possible. So even when I'm with my opponent, notice how I'm always leaning backwards. I don't want to lean this way, I want to lean this way. We're always moving, understanding that our head is the most important part of our body. So we got to feel like they can't reach us, We move, and boom! And for even when we get close, we always cover our head right here. And if you like that, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.